In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Lloyds Bank account. Whether you're accessing your personal or business banking information, this video will walk you through the process step by step. So let's get started. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Lloyds Bank website. You can do this by typing www.lloydsbank.com into your browser's address bar. Once the website's homepage has loaded, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll notice various sections and options designed to help you find exactly what you need. However, for our purpose today, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the web page where you'll see a Log On option. By clicking on Log On, you'll be presented with two primary choices, personal or business. This is an important step because it's where you determine the type of account you'd like to access. Most of you will be logging into your personal banking account, but those of you aiming to manage business finances will select the business option. Now that you've made your choice between personal and business, it's time to enter your credentials. You will be required to enter your user ID. This is usually a unique combination that you set up during your account registration. If you're struggling to remember it, you can click on the relevant help links on the page for guidance. Along with your user ID, you'll also need to enter your password. I recommend that you type this carefully to avoid any lockouts due to multiple incorrect attempts. If you do happen to forget your password, rest assured there's an option to reset it by following the instructions provided on the site. Remember to keep your password secure, and ideally, avoid using easily guessed combinations for better security. Once you have entered both your user ID and password, all that's left to do is click the Log On button. If everything is correct, you should be successfully logged into your Lloyds Bank account and able to conduct your banking tasks as needed. If you encounter any issues during this process, be it a forgotten credential or account-related problems, it's a good idea to contact Lloyds Bank support for personalized assistance. One last tip before we wrap up. Always make sure to log out of your banking session once you're done, especially if you're using a public or shared computer. This simple action helps protect your account from unauthorized access. That's it for today's video. I hope this guide was helpful in showing you how to log into your Lloyds Bank account. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials like this one. Happy banking!